Eric Mugaa ni mwama minista aria nini muno kimiaka manatungata thirikari-ini. President Ruto akimuhe mweke wa gutungata ta minista wa mai kuma mweri wa mugwanja mwaka uyu turi. Akiaria gicigo-ini kia Igembe ya muhuro thutha wa kugia na giikaro na gikundi kia andũ kiria ni gia kuhurana njaki matura-ini, Mugaa oritie andũ ethĩ memenye na mamenye kuria mangiteithikira thirikari-ini.
There are a lot of young people in Meru, because I think our population is almost 60% young people, and their vision for tomorrow will be shaped today, and that is why schooling to them is key. That is why basic amenities is essential. That is why the supply of being beneficiaries of government programs is very key.
Augite ndekuhahurwo ni aria marahurwo ũteti wa iturwa cia thirikari iria ihetwo mũingĩ wa kaunti ya Meru, akiuga we niahotorete kuruta wĩra kihinyio. Mĩario yake yũkĩte thutha wa gĩcunjĩ kia atongoria a Meru kuuga President Ruto ni arahinyĩrĩirie gĩcigo kĩu akiamũra ndundu njerũ ya maminista.
We have projects like Moa sewerage that have come up. We have stalled a project that has taken too long to be completed, like Meru sewerage. We are chasing other projects like in the region Nkubu, water supply and sanitation. And also we are looking at other underground sources for areas like Igembe North, Igembe Central, whereby we have no surface running water.
Oriti muingi na atongoria gicigo kia Meru na kaunti iria irigicĩirie mari na kayo kamwe tondu ino noyo njira iria mangiteithika nayo.
They have asked for unity amongst ourselves. They have asked for unity amongst our elected leaders. They have asked for unity to ensure that we progress the great county of Meru forward. That cannot happen if we stand divided. So I am calling on all of us to actually embrace projects, to embrace development, to embrace all things that contribute to the social and economic well-being of the region.
Ndumiriri ya Minister Mugaa yukite riri thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ikoretwo gitungio bukirira President akigeria kuhoreria muingi wa icigo itiganite kuhitukira mogaruruku ndundu-ini yake ya maminista. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũriũki wa Mũchoki.